Alright guys, welcome back. It's Friday, finally. So right now I'm on the 3rd floor and just finished up on the 4th floor. I can't even remember the beginning of the day, so I'm pretty sure I hung a few things like smoke detectors and probably some lights. I think I did some more plugs. Actually, the only thing I did today, I think on the 4th floor, was putting the plug. It's so dark in here, I'm sorry. The 2-gang plug plates, I don't have them here. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't spread them out. Anyways, I've been spreading out everything, so I got a pile of lights here, light bulbs. And then we got the smoke detectors here. Yeah, I don't know why I thought everything was laid out on this floor. Maybe I skipped this floor. I don't know. Anyways, everything was supposed to be laid out, but just been passing out stuff. So putting smoke detector there, smoke detector there. So just laying out the lights. This light goes for up on the ceiling, so just putting all the lights in the rooms where they've been going. That's what I did the rest of the day. And then that's way too dark. There's a light on the floor in there. But there was supposed to be some plates in here, but maybe I skipped them or something. I don't know, that's weird. Maybe I missed these 2 rooms. Maybe that was it. Yeah, I feel like I missed these 2 rooms or something. That's really weird. Anyways, maybe I got them in the other rooms, but I think that's basically it. All the lights are off in the hallway, so not my fault on that one. But for the most part, this whole hallway right here, this way, and then that way should all be set out. See, I got these plates here, smoke detector. These plates go for on the kitchen. And this is the outside plug, weatherproof WR. And then this plate right here for the double gang over there with the switch, light bulbs, F light. And I think that's basically it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it was so dark. John's gonna be mad at me. So just laying stuff out. Hope you guys had a good week. Hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Someone crushed that. Wow, LOL. So hope you have a great weekend. Catch you guys. Hopefully you guys stop by on Sunday. I'm gonna do a live stream, so hold me to that. I'm gonna do a live stream either like 10 in the morning to like I don't know, 10 p.m. to 1 p.m. or something. So gonna try to do like maybe a 3-hour live stream. I don't know, however long it takes, but I'm gonna hang some lights in the garage at my house probably, so I'll have to back the cars out. And then we got 3 4-foot fluorescent light fixtures in the garage, so we're going to switch those out. From they're 20 years old, so we're gonna put some LEDs in the garage. So hopefully you stop by for that. So be on the lookout for that on Sunday. Try to be like 10 a.m. If I wake up any earlier, then I'll start it earlier, but make sure you have your notifications on, so you'll be notified when I live stream. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Make sure to check the description for the social medias. Follow me on Instagram, Twitch, all that good stuff. So see you guys later. Peace out.